Guess who? Business opportunity. Visit the Everglades and make big money in alligator bags. Oh, boy, I'll make a fortune.
I'm telling you, man, business is bad. I sure could do with a mess of turnip greens. Southern fried woodpecker. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
This place is a mess. Kinda damp in here. Fire feels good. I better get some more wood. An alligator! Free boat ride. Oh, good. Oh, say, this is nice. Real nice. See you later, alligator.
This was too easy. Hey!
I got my alligator. I can get me about 5 good bags out of this boy.
How about this two-suiter? Maybe a pair of shoes?
Yeah.
And how about you coming home to dinner? I'm toting home the fixin' for a sweet potato pie. Gonna be better than a catfish fry. Nothing tastes better than a larder on the pot, garnished with a woodpecker roasting on the top. Sit down in your place, Woodpecker, and I'm gonna show you some genuine old Southern cooking. Him, me,
Add pepper.
Here it comes. I'm gonna smack my lips on a woodpecker barbecued on hickory chips. I'll cook 'em to a turn on my rotisserie and serve 'em up with sassafras tea. Who that?
Me.
Who that say me?
Me say me.
Who that say me say me?
Me say me say me.
Who that say me say who say he say you say who say ha ha hoo hee hee ha ha hoo hee hee hee.
I gotcha.
I got you.
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 Just a cotton-picking minute. Are you calling me a fibber?
Yes.
Then I demand satisfaction. Choose your weapon. Count 5 paces, turn, and fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he wants an alligator bag. He gets one with labels.